Hey guys, welcome to question FM131, which reads, Addison invests $6,000 in a savings account that pays interest at a rate of 3.5% per annum compounding monthly. At the end of each month, immediately after the interest has been paid, Addison adds $50 to his investment. After 3 years, the value of his investment will be closest to what? Now, if you have an early edition of our book, there is an error in there that says at the end of each quarter. The start of the second sentence says at the end of each quarter instead of at the end of each month. So apologies for that, but if you've been having problems with that question, that will be the reason. Change that to the end of each month, have a go and see how you go getting the answer then. So, kicking on with this question. Now, Finance Solver is going to be the easiest way for us to answer this question. So let's start going through the motions. We have Addison invests $6,000. So since Addison is investing $6,000, that is, he is giving $6,000 to someone else or investing it, it's not in his possession anymore. He can't use it to go out and buy groceries or buy whatever he wants to buy. He has now invested it and it's in there, which means he's losing $6,000. Well, he's not in possession of $6,000 anymore. So we put in our present value or principal value minus 6,000. Pays at an interest rate of 3.5% per annum. So we whack in our 3.5% up here. Compounding monthly. At the end of each month, immediately after the interest has been paid, Addison adds $50 to his investment. So our payments per year are going to be the end of each month. That's 12. So for those of you who had the early edition that had quarters written there, you probably put in a 4 there, and then were confused with why the answer didn't come out correct. This will be what makes the difference. And our payments, he's making payments of $50. Once again, he's giving $50. So it's a minus 50 here. Of course, the future value is what we're being asked to find, the value of the investment after 3 years. And the number N up here, so the number of payments that are going to pass before we get to that. So we've got 3 years of 12 payments a year. So if you put in 3 times 12 into your Finance Solver in your calculator, that'll calculate that 36 for you. Just saves you some time and some hassle thinking, especially in the exams when your mind's racing along. Sometimes it's not the best time to think logically in terms of how many months are going to be in 3 years. You can just whack in 3 times 12 into your calculator and let it do the hard work for you. So plugging this into your calculator and solving for the future value, you should get an answer of 8,558.23, possibly some more decimals following that. But of course, this is going to be closest to option D, which is the correct answer for this question. If you guys have any questions on how I did that, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.